Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's a girl Pretty K. And yes guys, I'm back in the street of Maypen, and today I'll be interviewing upcoming producer Avion. Please, I'm asking you to check out the video right after this. Bless up and big up guys.
Real talk with Pretty K. Test Pretty K, are the best, are the best, are the best. No other blogger them can come test. Want a Pretty K house with a Pretty K land, a Pretty K car with a Pretty K van. Like, share.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's a girl Pretty K, and today I'll be interviewing upcoming producer Avion.
Well, go on.
How you doing?
Great. Doing fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Nice.
I'm fine. Yes, indeed. So today I'm gonna ask you some few questions.
Sure.
So could you just give me 2 words to describe you?
Ambitious. Self-motivated.
Alright, that sounds good. Who influenced you to be a producer?
Alright, so the influence will be like from local producers like Russian and Stephen McGregor. You know, so I grew up listening them produce music and hearing them style of beats, you know. I say, how them do that?
Yes.
So growing up, you know, I try to figure out how we can get the software them use. And a friend introduced me to Fruity Loops. So I got Fruity Loops on my laptop. First it was on my phone, then I got it on my laptop, and I start from there. But after a while, I switched from Fruity Loops to Ableton.
Oh,
So yeah, that's another software
Yeah.
that I use. Yes, currently use that software.
Okay. So those are the software that help you to create beats.
Exactly.
Okay, just in case you don't know, guys. Alright, sounds good. What is your biggest challenge as a producer?
Biggest challenge.
I know you're an upcoming producer, but you know.
Yeah. At this point, you know, I'm just working on the financial aspects of the my business, you know. So you know that's very important. Without financial stability in the music industry, it won't really work unless you have someone who could support you financially. You could get like equipments and stuff like that, you know, or else you have to do it on your own. So yeah, that's one of the biggest challenge I have at this point right now.
Okay.
But it's getting better for me. Yeah.
Yes. So basically, the equipment is very expensive.
Well, they're very expensive, and the producers out there,
Yes.
they know that it's very expensive.
I
It is
understand.
very expensive.
Understand. But little by little, you will get there.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Who is the biggest artist you have ever worked with?
Biggest artist I've ever worked with. I've worked with a lot of artists, but I would say QP. QP is very talented.
Yes.
Very
yes, I
talented
know.
and hardworking.
Yes.
Yeah, so I would say QP.
Okay, nice. Big artists, guys. Check them out
Yeah,
on
man.
social media, on YouTube, you know,
I've
TikTok as well.
I've other artists that I work with, young artists.
Yes, you can name a few.
Yeah, man, like recently started working with King J. King J, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Work with Vari and a lot other more young artists.
Alright, that sounds good. Alright. The crop of artists you are working with now, where do you see them going in the next 5 years? Where do you see them going in the next 5 years?
5 years, a lot of time and still short, you know. But with hard work and dedication,
Yeah.
I would say they will be at an international level.
Nice.
Yeah, I believe in my artists. I believe in them. I see the potential in them. I
Yes.
see that they are putting in the work.
Right.
Yeah, so yeah, that's where I will see them.
And I guess teamwork Let the dream work.
Exactly.
With an upcoming producer who know exactly what he wants, know exactly what is expected from the artist, how to push them, how to motivate them, how to build them. So yes, they will reach far indeed.
Yes, man.
Hard work really pays off. All right. So we're on social media. They can find it just to know some more about you.
All right. So on Instagram, Avion Styles Beats. Yeah. I'm not really of a social media person, but yeah, you can find me on Instagram and TikTok. Avion Styles Beats also.
Yes, and it's going on YouTube soon, guys. Soon. So all media platform, Avion will be on it. Alright. So thank you so much for passing through. I really appreciate it. So you can just do some big up.
Yeah, man. So big up QP again. Kwashi. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Holy for strength Kwashi give me. You know? Huge respect to Kwashi. Yeah, and the manager. Because most people don't know some America be scared. The manager always motivate me to do music.
Nice.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, K, man. Yeah, man. And King J, El Romel,
yes,
Vari, Afro, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. And if me I miss the name, big up on yourself. Same way. Yeah, man. Avion, see?
Nice. Thanks again for passing through.
Sure, you're welcome.
Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Tell a friend, and keep on telling. And remember, guys, whatever you do, put God first. Now, without God, you cannot climb to another level. Check you out in my next video. Bye.